So then what was the second rhythm? Steps?
Second rhythm was Steps.
Okay.
Not Steps, sorry. Thunder Clap.
Thunder Clap.
Thunder Clap was the second
This
one.
is where stuff really got crazy now.
Yeah, this is where it get real mad.
Explain to me about Thunder Clap now.
So we had a dance in Connecticut, right?
Mm-hmm.
And a Selector, it was me, Firelings with Bodyguard at the time, and at that dance, right? And the warm-up selector was a selector named Hype Up, right? And so Hype Up, after that dance, come to me and was like, yo, you might try DJ to one, you know? And gave me a cassette, I think, or a CD to listen to some stuff he has. And then I went back to the hotel, but the hotel never have nothing to play them thing there, you know? So my brethren car, me listen to them, you know, and I hear, man, rat-a-ta-ta-ta-ta with the ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, I say, wait there. Are you that bad?
Yeah.
So I end up linking the day, this is the Sunday after the dance. I was like, yo, bro, come check, man. Him tell me one vegetarian restaurant, because I'm not eat meat. Meet him at rare. So Hype Up. Anyway, Hype Up, what I'm talking about is Busy Signal. So we chat and we link up and then say, yo, I want to come to Jamaica. And at this time, I knew nothing of what was going on with, you know what I mean? Whatever.
You're just interested in the music.
Right.
Yeah.
I'm going to say, yo, I'm going to bust this artist. In bad. So I give him all the details. Boom. Not more than like the week after, you know. There goes Busy. Well, Hype Up.
Yeah.
At my door.
Yeah.
With one of my brethren from Standpipe, Blacker Cartel. Yo, pull up at my door. I'm like, yo, really rich. All right, boom. And we just go out of the studio. And he had a thing. And him keep going. If you know Busy, him keep
always on rhythm.
Yeah, I'm always like, who know him say him is like that. Like,
yeah.
Him always ideas, you know? I'm telling you. So we hear him do something. And then him and Factor now got Busy used to be at the studio from morning till evening, right through. So him and Factor now in there mess around and all of a sudden them come up with tan. You see me?
Yeah.
But that was just it, I think. That was just it. And then everybody come in and say, blow that bad. Then Delana must call in Birch and other musicians. Long story short, it ended up develop to Thunder Clap. You know, bam. And Busy voice and Thunder Clap with artists with Flavor Unit, Kemar.
Yes.
Yeah. The Thunder Clap Riddim, Busy voice on it Riddim. That was the first song on the rhythm. Because it's Busy.
Right. Help come up with the...
Yeah, the first initial thing is Busy. Yeah. So now, artists come in and start voice now. Same thing Delana do with the rhythm. Get a couple people. Same. Yeah, and then, bam. Everybody, same lineup as Rebirth, came back on Thunder Clap. And then, but this time now, Bounty, because Bounty was on Rebirth too, yeah. But the song never really bust, like, you know. And then Bounty came to voice on Thunder Clap. Done. And then, no, Caesar didn't come. Then, bam, then you have Cartel forward, Cabra, you know, couple. Then the rhythm just. Then what happened is, so the night Cartel did a voice. So this is what bust the rhythm big now. So the night when Cartel voice, right? Remember now, at this point, Kartel just have his biggest song is Give Me the Breast and Me Icky the Rest, That's the song we're going with him now. And bam, this tech, I thought will come and Kartel advised the song, and everybody look on each other and I say, yo, how is this gonna come out?
Okay, so you guys knew it was a crazy song, but you didn't know what to do with it.
Right, you have to realize now, at the time, the level of slackness wasn't that slack as yet.
It wasn't just...
It wasn't, right, it wasn't graphic. It was not graphic at all, So, and I would tell you this, Kartel changed that game totally from that song.
You're not fit.
So me will never forget when him done voice a song, and the whole of we there I laugh and I say, Kartel, I say, yeah man, this a run road, it's like a run road now. And me and Delana there and I say, boy, how are we gonna put this out? Remember, you have to remember, don't think now, think about then, what to bring this across, like how?
I remember there was two main places where you would play that, either in a dance or on the radio.
Right, but at that time, remember now, them graphic slackness wasn't around or wouldn't be acceptable then. That's the word I should use. Wouldn't be acceptable. And Kartel just came in, bloom, killed it, and we say, yo. So we're like holding on to it like, yo, bro, we can't release this, this. So we even called Kartel and said, Kartel, no, this. And Kartel, you know what Kartel did? Kartel leaked the song to every bus in Jamaica, every school bus, every taxi. We're on the road driving and we hear, baby, up to the time. I mean, you're ramp with it. I say, how that come on? How them get that to it? It's the bounce, the rough bounce. We need
That's
voiced.
what they were playing.
That's what they were playing.
No
the song
mix.
don't even mix yet. Kartel leaked it everywhere. And then all of a sudden, the song just play everywhere. Till it forced us now to I forget the rhythm done mix now and thing because this song is tearing up the streets.
Because it was so shocking. We've never heard anybody say anything just so flat out.
Bro.
Like this.
Kartel, hats off to you. I'm a brother, I'm a family. Big up Vybz Kartel. Because we do a whole heap of... Because you have to know, Bounty is who... Well, I should say Butler, Bounty is who introduced Vybz Kartel. It's bound to bring Kartel up at the studio.
It was killer.
Yeah, man, it was killer, man. Cause remember, it's them days. And then we and Kartel just end up having a chemistry. Like that, I'm always rate him, because from day one in his career, I remember voicing him for the first time down by Sapphire. Yeah, when Butler brought him and said, yo, you need to voice some dub with a youth. And him come in and him spit about 25 dub one time. I'm like, yo, which youth this?
Who are you,
this man? Yeah, man, sick. Some sick tunes up to this day. And, and I say, yo, that youth are crazy. So we always had a relationship. But when he did, the tech tune there, that was like crazy. Cause remember he had songs like before, but it wasn't that graphic. This was graphic to a next level.
Yeah, no. 100.
So
that's why it was so wild.
Yeah.
It was a real risk. It's either this is going to completely flop or this is going to completely take over the place.
Bro, it take over the whole place till it forced us to start. I forget the rhythm done mix now. So anyway, get the rhythm done mix, bam, bam, bam. Ready for come out. Here comes Caperton. Say, going on tour. Now you have to remember now, Cape Town had a transition from the 90s to early 2000s.
For sure.
We're the ones who actually brought him back into the 2000s. We on Firelings, yeah.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because we see his energy. Cape Town always have an energy. And always will have hit songs.
Mm-hmm.
His Cape Town 90s hits, them can't done.
Unmatched, boy.
So when he took that I don't want to call it break, because Shango never stopped, but when he took that when he took that little ease.
That the transition period.
Right.
How do I fit into
Because
this
even
right here?
even late 90s into 2000s, still have Baby Don't Cry No More, and still have Hunt You, and them tunes still, you know? But there was a time when him kind of just level off. So, here comes Cape Town, Bulby. Bring him come at the studio.
Bulby again.
Yeah, man. Bulby is who? Everything surrounded. All right. Renaissance production, from beginning, is surrounded from Bulby. Even the remix,
But that's
when
what
we're
I was
talking
gonna
about from
say.
95,
Yes.
of Bulby really introduced me
Yeah.
to Killer with the remix. It's Bulby, York, Colin York. You understand? And it's years after me find out, say, me and Bulby's sister went to school.
Okay.
Nadia York, yeah.
Yeah.
It's after that. So, yeah, man, Bulby play a big influence on things. So, Cape Town is flying out 6 o'clock in the morning. Here he comes 1 o'clock in the night, coming to do songs for us, and Firelings is with him, and he's going straight to the airport after. And this is it. You're not going to see Cape Town for another 6 months. Him going on a long tour.
Yeah.
You understand? So I like, yo, everything I have to do, dub, 45, everything I have to do tonight. Anyway, no dub never get to do, but two of the biggest songs, Cape Town voiced 2 songs on the Thunder Clap. He voiced 1 song and then he voiced Arwa, which we didn't put out the Arwa. We did it over, remixed it on the steps.
Yeah.
Enough people don't know this.
Yeah, it's original. That was originally recorded on Thunder Clap.
On Thunder Clap. Right, he did 2 songs. We put out 1 for the Thunder Clap. He did the 2 songs on Thunder Clap, and we held back Arwa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's wild, bro. Yeah.
So bam, Riddim come out, Cape Town fly out. He did the same night he did Come On Everyone, where this is for Firelings.
Yes, because the mad instruments at that time.
The same night, the 2 songs voice. And then boom, no dub couldn't do. All of we wanted dub, but no dub couldn't voice. He have to go airport.
Yeah.
Bam, all right, bam, cut. Bro, we drop everything. Now you have to remember now, Thunder Clap and Steps came literally months. Yeah, because it wasn't a year or not, it was like months. So, because Thunder Clap been out, you know, but Cape Town came last, so he put 2 songs on it.
So then that gave it back the energy again.
Yeah, no, but the Cape Town and Thunder Clap, it didn't really blow up because
Which Cape Town's on the Thunder Clap again?
I go again. Let me take it. It's a girl tune. But then let me take it off. Take it off. He's in the same ear as
Arwa.
Yeah, but it's a girl tune, right? But because the Cabra and the Cartel with the Bounty, I mash up the place. They if you really don't waste my time. Right. So them two did a go on, you know.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.